Many people have hobbies they enjoy in their free time, but not everyone realizes that these hobbies can also be a source of income. Whether you love photography, writing, crafting, or gaming, there are ways to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. Here's how you can start making money from what you love doing. Number 1. Identify a marketable hobby. The first step is to determine if your hobby has income potential. Ask yourself, do people pay for products or services related to my hobby? Examples of profitable hobbies include photography, selling prints, freelancing, or stock photography; writing, freelance writing, blogging, or self-publishing books; crafting, selling handmade items on Etsy or at local markets; gaming, streaming, game coaching, or selling game accounts; cooking, starting a food blog, YouTube channel, or catering service. You can also consider hobbies like gardening, fitness, or even organizing. If people ask you for advice or compliment your work, that's often a sign it has market value. Sometimes it just takes a small shift in mindset to see your hobby from a business perspective. Think about what you naturally enjoy doing that others might find valuable. Number 2. Research the demand. Once you identify a hobby with potential, research the market demand. Look at competitors, search online marketplaces, and join social media groups to understand what people are looking for. Check platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, YouTube, and Instagram to see what sells and how you can stand out. You can also use tools like Google Trends or keyword research tools to see what people are searching for. Try to identify gaps in the market or areas where you can offer something unique. Understanding trends will help you stay relevant and ahead of the curve. If you can find a niche within your hobby, you'll have a better chance of building a loyal following. Number 3. Start small and test your idea. Before fully committing, test your idea by offering your services or products on a small scale. You can start with offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, selling a few handmade products on Etsy, posting free content on social media to build an audience. Reach out to friends or community members for honest feedback. Sometimes, word of mouth can help you land your first few clients or customers. Don't be afraid to start imperfectly. Experience will shape your path. Keep an open mind and be ready to pivot if something isn't working. Number 4. Build your brand and online presence. A strong brand can make you stand out. Create a simple brand identity, including a name, logo, and social media presence. A website or blog can also help establish credibility. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are great for showcasing your work and attracting an audience. Don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Share your journey, your passion, and what makes your work special. People connect with authenticity, and that can build loyalty over time. Show behind-the-scenes content, celebrate milestones, and engage with your followers. Consistent, quality content can turn casual viewers into paying customers. Number 5. Monetize your hobby. There are several ways to turn your hobby into a steady income stream. Freelancing. Offer services on Upwork, Fiverr, or personal websites. Selling products. Open an Etsy store, Shopify shop, or sell digital products. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Teaching or coaching. Offer online courses, tutoring, or workshops. Start with one monetization method and expand as you grow. Don't spread yourself too thin at the beginning. Focus on building one successful stream first. And remember, each small win is progress toward a larger goal. As your confidence grows, so will your opportunities. Number 6. Stay consistent and keep improving. Success won't come overnight. Stay consistent, keep improving your skills, and adapt to market trends. Engage with your audience, seek feedback, and keep refining your business strategy. Set small, achievable goals each week. Whether it's posting content regularly, improving your product, or learning a new skill, consistent progress adds up over time. Surround yourself with people who support your dream and stay motivated. Also, consider joining online communities of hobbyists or side hustlers for extra support and ideas. Turning a hobby into a profitable side hustle is an exciting journey. It allows you to do what you love while making extra income. With dedication, market research, and the right strategies, your hobby can become a thriving business. So, why not start today? Start by taking one small step this week. Whether it's researching a platform, creating your first product, or just sharing your passion online, your future self will thank you for it. Even if it doesn't become a full-time business, the skills and experiences you gain will be incredibly valuable. What hobby would you like to monetize? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Arewaworld on YouTube for more money-making tips, business ideas, and inspirational stories to fuel your hustle.